ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about places in school. This is the administration office.
Administration office.
This is the classroom.
Classroom.
This is the school canteen.
School canteen.
This is the school library.
School library.
This is the school clinic.
School clinic.
This is the art room.
Art room.
This is the meeting room.
Meeting room.
This is the computer room.
Computer room.
This is the gym.
Gym.
This is the hallway.
Hallway.
This is the music room.
Music room.
This is the playground. Playground. This is the swimming pool. Swimming pool. This is the locker room.
Locker room.
This is the school field.
Field.
This is the teacher's room.
Teacher's room.
This is the school garden.
School garden.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.